Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Xgene and Proteinx. In this tutorial video I'll show you how to merge two different images by using Photoshop. In some old version microscope there are the software that is not very updated, and in that cases the merge option is not available. So for this kind of cases, so this is very useful method and shortcut method to merge two different pictures. So let's move on to the tutorial part. So first you have to open your add of Photoshop and then file and open your pictures. So bright field pictures I want to open first, and then open, and I want to open another. So these two pictures I want to merge together. So here you see there is one option, pointer option. You have to hit this one, and when you hit this one, then your pointer will be transformed and it looks like this. So after that one pictures you have to drag to the another picture, okay? And for that you have to long press the mouse left button, so like this. So now in one window the two pictures is appeared, right? So you have to close this one, no need anymore. So here the two pictures, right? And then you have to set it very perfectly. It's set already, right? Is fitted. So after that you see here there is one option, that is, you see the opacity option. This option you have to go and click here. So when you click this option, and then you can see there is one bar to adjust it. So you have to drag it to adjust this level. So when you adjust it, you can see that the images is transformed to different pictures and is merging, right? And you have to adjust it by dragging this button left and right. Alright, so it's merged. So now you have to save it, and this intensity of this merge you can change according to by dragging it up right and left. So now I want to save these pictures. Save it. Merge and save. So save. So another window will pop up, and you have to hit this one, discard layers and save a copy. Click this one and then OK. And also there are different kind of files are available. So this is image compression. If you want to compress the image, then you have to click it. So I don't want to compress this image, so it's lower the quality. So I just hit OK. So that pictures is already saved. Open it. So that's it. So this is the merge picture. So I think this is very useful and very shortcut method. You can use it. So that's it guys. I hope this video will be helpful.